As part of our Year of Giving series, we have partnered with the SPCA of Northern Nevada and Lorna's Laces to create the Snow Dog Shawl Kit. $5 from every kit will be donated to the SPCA in order to support everything they do for our community. Oh yeah, and these guys. The SPCA of Northern Nevada rescued over 1,500 animals just last year, and they could save even more with your help. Each and every one of these animals are just waiting for a good home, and with your donation, you can help give them the life and love they deserve. So order your Snow Dog kit today.